So now we see how to install the Visual Studio Code and Node.js. Initially, you can see here. Okay, I'll start from beginning. Open a new tab and search here Visual Studio Code, and you can see the download option here. You can click it here directly, and we'll jump to this page. And here, as per your requirement, we are using the Windows. Here you can see Windows 8, 10, 11. So you can use whichever Windows we are using in now. So if you find this, here you can see directly. It will downloading the our software, Visual Studio. So it is done. I'll open it now. Okay, this is the installation process. It is the license agreement. Just click the I accept agreement and go to next. And this is a normal basic setup. Just go next. If you if you select the create new desktop icon, it will show the Visual Studio icon in the desktop where you can start the software. Next, install. Okay, now you can see here the whole complete of the Visual Studio setup. Just finish. See, it will opening now. It is starting now. This is the default page where you can see the Visual Studio editing. Here, you can open a new file if you want. So now we'll install the Node.js. We'll let it be. It is like this. You can see here React there where you can see the all the procedure and the step-by-step procedure. Start, learn. Here you can see the step-by-step procedure. Here it is the installation process. Here it is just an hello world program. We'll try this. Here we'll click on how to start a new React project. Now you need to install Node.js for local development. If you click on that link, it will redirect to the download option of the Node.js. Now we are installing for the Windows 64-bit system. You can see here it is downloading now. Java path. Please wait. Now you can see that installation process is started. It's the same basic step where you can see for all the softwares. Have to click here to it will automatically install the necessary tools which we need afterwards in the program execution. And here click install. Now it will completely started the installation. Now you can see the complete installation is successfully done. Click finish. Now you have to just press any key. It will continue. Take a while because it having it's setting a necessary tools which we need. After the download, after the all setup, now we have to establish Now we have to add the path into the environmental variable. Yeah. Now we have to navigate to the where we install the Node.js. Here, while installation, I give the default location, which is in the C directory and the program files. In the program files, Node.js. Now, this is the part where we have to set in the environmental variable. You can directly search the environmental variable, click here, and here go to the environmental variables. Here you can see on the system variables, go to the down, search for path. Here, take it in, you can edit. Now paste here the where we installed as a Node.js, which we copied. Click OK. Now we have to search for the Node.js command prompt. Here you can see Node.js command prompt. Now we have to now navigate yourself where you want to create a Node.js file. I will create in the C directory, which is they have to use this command to create a Node.js file. npx create react app space your file name, which is you can give anything as per your requirement. I'll give a file name as Renewin. So npx is a command, and create new app is a where you can create your Node.js file, and this is the file name. You can give any file name you want. As per now, I want to create an hello world program, right? So I will take as an hello world. Now you have to give the like just y and enter. It will take few minutes to create a file with the necessary tools and the packages. So now you can see here happy hacking, which defines that the folder, the file is completely successfully created. We can check where go to the C directory, and you can see here hello world React is this is all the necessary packages and the folders which we are going to use in our program. So now to write a hello world program, we need to open a Visual Studio Code. We already created the Node.js folder now. So go to the file, open folder, navigate where you created the folder, where I created in the C here. So click on the folder we created and select. Now you can see my folder is opened here. You can see our folder is created here. We can see which are all the projects and the folders we created. It will show in this Explorer. Here, in this here, we have to go to the source and app.js. This file is where it is like a source file where all the execution is started. In the initially, this code is always written, given as a default. We don't need this code to write hello world program, and we have to remove the packages also. So in this division block, whatever you're doing, we should mention in the division block. Okay, I'll show something which defaultly, this is the template which defaultly given. I will run and show how it will look. Go to the run and go to the terminal, click a new terminal. Here now you have to give a command to start. The command is npm start, which will run the code. Actually, it is loading now. We have to wait for a while. After the run is completed, you can see the browser will pop up and the output will be shown. You can see here starting the development server. See, the browser is pop up and this is loading. This is a template where we're running, which is defaultly given. This is the logo and this is a message. You can see this in the code. Here, this is the image of the logo and the class name. we gave an H reference, which it will redirect to the site where we initially started to see the installation procedure. Now, if you want to write a hello world program, which is very easy, just remove that the unnecessary tags which we don't need now. As I told in earlierly, we don't need the inside code. We just need a division tag, and we don't need this header file also, import statement also. In this, we'll give a h1 tag, and we can give a message. Now we have to save, go to the browser. You can see the hello world program. Hello world message is right here. So as a recall, I'll say, as we know, we installed the Visual Studio Code and we download the Node.js. After installing the Node.js, we'll come to the, we'll establish the environmental variable, which is, we have to go to the, where we install the Node.js, which is in the C directory, program files, Node.js. Now, this is the part where we have to copy and paste it into the environmental variable. Here, go to the environmental variable and select the path, and copy our path and click OK. After set up the path, open the Visual Studio Code, and here go to the file and open folder. Before that, you have to go to Node.js command prompt. In this, we have to navigate where we have to create a folder, and we have to use the npx create react app, which is a command. After that, we have to use the file name, mention the file name which we want to create. As of now, I've created the hello world react. Click enter, and all the necessary process and the installation of all the installation and import packages will be carried out. At the end, we have to wait for until see the happy hacking, which is referred to as the it is successfully created the React Node.js folder with the necessary import and package statements. After that, open the Node.js, go to file and open folder. In this, go and find where we created our Node.js. As of now, I created in the C. This is my folder and select folder. It will open up in the our Explorer. Go to the Explorer, and in the Explorer, go to the source where all our main source code will be there. In the source code, we have to go for the app.js, which are all we do the execution or we have to run the app.js, which is our main file. In this, as we see in the earlier, which will give the template where it will create the Node.js logo. We can remove that inside the division tag. We have to give our program. As of now, we see how the installation and the setup process. This is for this session. In the next session, we'll see the environment components and the adding the other environment components to our folder. Thank you.